this video, we'll be configuring our login page to suit our Google OAuth purposes. So go ahead and paste the use effects hook here. Use effects, open bracket, parenthesis, arrow function, hit enter. Then we'll set our condition. If open parenthesis, open curly braces, and hit enter. But I want to use this util here, use query params in this page. So I'll go ahead and import it below Axios, import in curly braces, use query params, yes, from util directory. Yes, use query params from our util directory. Then after that, we come below our error message state variable and create a new one, const token. We'll set that to OAuth token just for these purposes, equals to use query params. We'll call that as a function. So here, if OAuth token, yes, then we'll set token to our OAuth token. Let's define above. After that, we'll do history.push to our app, which is our home page on our app. After that, we'll set our dependencies which React will require: OAuth token, set token, and history. Then we'll save a document. We'll give it a little time for our CMD to refresh. We'll go to our browser and refresh the page. Then we'll log in with Google. This is going to bring up the Google OAuth consent screen. Then I'm going to select the email address I need. Once I select email address, it's going to take a little while to load. After that, you see it redirects to our login page with our email address having access to our app.